And hello there, 30 Minutes Wednesday folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is something for the 30 Minutes Fantasy line. We have the customized structure one for the 30 Minutes Fantasy. And as you can see in the box art, yes, it is fully compatible with the 30 Minutes Fantasy figures. You see the Liber Knight there, you also see the Liber Fighter, and we have something new, which is we have monsters. So we have a mushroom type of guy, some slimes, and some flying bug type, and of course some posts and rocks. So structures. And off to the side, yep, here it is, not yet painted. And yep, this is what you can see that inside there. And of course, some parts of it can be transferred into the 30 minutes figures. You know, having put some wings. And here it is, interactive with that. And yep, there it is. Off to the other side, here it is. As you can see, if you paint it, and of course, information about the 30 minutes fantasy line. Now, opening up the box and seeing what's inside, we have one bag with one screw, and yes, okay, this is a head of the mushroom monster, body, the wings, another bag. So we have the interactable parts here, and of course, I think yeah, this were the slimes here. Yep. Oh, a pure one version, and of course a very small instruction manual. Alright, now let's take a look individually at each of the screws. Okay, so first off is the A sprue or the A1 sprue of the customized structures. So yep, like I said, this might be the head of the mushroom monster. This looks like a flying mechanized creature. Yep, so that's the A1 sprue. We also have the B sprue here, which consists of the logs, the post, and the rocks here. Yep. So setting up the terrain. And of course, we have another one here, which is the A2, but in a clear white or a clear plastic, of course. Some slimes are clear slimes. Yep. So this basically sets up the mood and terrain for the 13 minutes fantasy line. We're in, yep. It is a fantasy theme, so of course there should be something with regards to monsters, structures, logs, rocks, and of course I can't wait to get the structure 2, wherein it has more monsters if I do remember, and the chest can become a mimic. Anyways, and this is what's inside the box, a 30 minutes fantasy books of the customized structure 1 of the 30 minutes fantasy line. And this is Mixer saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, giving me the other videos, commenting, sharing, and until next time, see you and thank you.